എന്താണ് സോഷ്യൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്? സോഷ്യൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സാമൂഹിക സംഘം. അതായത് രണ്ട് അതിലധികമോ വ്യക്തികൾ ഒത്തുചേരുമ്പോൾ അവിടെ സാമൂഹിക സംഘം എന്ന് രൂപപ്പെടുന്നു.
ഇനി നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് സോഷ്യൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് എന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. A social group is described as multiple individuals, usually two or more, who connect and possess similar qualities and have a feeling of oneness collectively. Individuals in a social group are in contact frequently and regard themselves as members of the group. Sociologists distinguish between many kinds of social groups, and they can occur in wide range of sizes and shapes. A community, for instance, can be thought of as a significant social group. അടുത്തതാണ് primary groups. A primary group is a small social group where the members have direct, intimate, and long-term connections. Primary groups are defined by the standard care, joint projects, and extended periods devoted as group. The group aims at the relationships rather than achieving goal. In primary groups, people share implicit qualities like care, love, worry, and encouragement. A nuclear family, crisis support network, and church groups are primary group examples. Connections built in primary groups are long-term and serve the objective. Primary groups in sociology are beneficial to the members as they serve as sources of help and content. Next topic is secondary group. Secondary groups, as opposed to primary ones, are larger groups with the emotionless or global based connections. Members of secondary group connect on less intimate levels. Secondary groups members' relationships are often short term instead of long term. Other secondary groups continue for several years. Secondary groups are not based on emotional connection and lack of intimate relations. Contrary to primary, secondary groups they do not aim at the growing and sustaining connections. Next topic is characteristics of social group. Primary group and secondary group characteristics. Primary group. One responds to all person. Relationship non-transferable. Spontaneous relationship. Relationship valued for itself. Shares common values and norms. Provides emotional support. Commitment to group. In secondary group in the characteristics. One who responds to a fragment of the person. Relationships transferable. Non-spontaneous relationship. Relationship valued because it means to end. May or may not share common values and norms. May or may not provide emotional support. May or may not have.
Welcome to my sociology related All for You 91 YouTube channel. I'm excited to have you here. On this channel, we explore various topics related to sociological concepts. Let's explore sociology together. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to quickly ask you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Today, we are going to talk about social groups. What is social groups? Their definition and characteristics. As humans, we live in groups and social interaction is an essential part of our lives. As you know that, sociology is the study of social groups. Humans are social animals and need to interact with others to fulfill their physical, social, and psychological needs. A social group is formed when two or more individuals come together and interact frequently, perceiving the contact as meaningful. Group membership gives a sense of belonging, and each member has a position and role within the group. Group members share goals or objectives and work together to achieve them. Understanding social groups is important for understanding human behavior in society. Harry Johnson defined sociology as the science that deals with social groups. Harry Johnson emphasized the importance of studying social groups in sociology. Man is not just an animal by birth, but becomes a social animal through socialization, which mainly occurs through groups. Now, let's take a look at some scholar definitions of social group. According to Theodore Mills, a social group is a group of two or more individuals who come into contact with each other to achieve a purpose and perceive such contact as meaningful. According to Ogburn and Nimkoff, whenever two or more individuals come together and influence one another, they may be said to constitute a social group. Eli Chinoy said that a social group consists of individuals whose relationships depend on a set of interrelated roles and statuses. From these definitions, we can conclude that social group is defined as when two or more individuals come together and influence each other. A group needs at least two people to exist. A group of two people is the smallest social group is called a dyad, while a group of three is called a triad. Now, let's discuss the characteristics of social groups. First characteristics of social groups is a group consists of two or more individuals. Two or more individuals are required to form a group. Second characteristics of social groups is there is a common purpose, goal, and understanding among the group members. Third characteristics of social groups is social interaction takes place between individuals in a group and everyone is aware of it. They have to interact frequently. They have to be aware of these interactions. They need to feel that these interactions are meaningful. Fourth characteristics of social groups is group members have a sense of cooperation. Group membership is the sense that we belong, just like the sense that other people are members of our group. Sixth characteristics of social groups is there is a sense of unity in groups. Seventh characteristics of social groups is a group has a structure. Eighth characteristics of social groups is in social groups intergroup relations are relatively permanent contacts among the members. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on sociology and other related topics. Thanks for watching.